everybody, Judy and Lillian Louise here. We are two girls just kicking it together. We're all alone. Brandon's at camp and Dad's not home, so I fixed her some lunch and thought y'all might like to join us. Sauteed onions, bell peppers, corn, and tomatoes together, which she loves, and every bit of that came out of our garden, so it's all fresh. Then I scrambled her 1 egg, a little bit of avocado, 2 baked French fries, and some gala apples. Same thing I have, except I don't eat eggs. So we're gonna eat lunch together. Okay, so Lillian has already started without me. Yeah, is that pretty good? Yeah. She started with the mixed vegetables. You like those? All I do is I cut them all up and then just saute them in a pan, and the juice from the vegetables just mixes together and they saute real nicely. Yeah, and she loves that. And she loves eggs, and she loves avocados, and she loves French fries. And gala apples are her favorite. That's her favorite apple. So I'm gonna set the camera down and sit down and eat with Lillian. Yep. So we thought everybody might like to join us because we got a little lonely today. Is that good? All right. Lillian is our 3-year-old white-faced Capuchin monkey. That's pretty good. Those mixed vegetables are delicious. So this morning I got Lillian up and I gave her a bath. And she was chilly, so I put her pajamas back on her. And then I came in here and cooked lunch. And she hung around on my back while I was cooking. So she was getting an appetite up while she was watching me cook. She couldn't wait for it to get ready. Those are good, huh? Yeah. That pretty good? Did Mom do good? I did. Yeah, thank you. Yep. That is pretty good if I do say so myself. Well, everybody, Brandon got off and he is at camp now, having a blast. Yep, and we miss him, don't we? Do you miss your brother? Yeah? But your big brother's been coming over to see you since Brandon left. He's coming over more, so you won't get lonely. Bobby is my oldest son, and he comes over a lot. And Bobby is actually fixing to buy a house. And one great thing, he finally got a job with Billy. So now he works at the same place Billy works. Yep. And he got a really high position up there. I'm really proud of him. And he's been saving his money, and he's fixing to buy a house. So I'm very proud of him. Yeah, and Daddy gets to work with Bobby, doesn't he? Does your eye itch? But Bobby doesn't work as many hours as Billy does, so Bobby gets to come over a little bit. Yeah, and spend time with you, doesn't he? Yeah. Do you like it when Bobby comes over? Lillian, do you like it when Bobby comes over and plays with you? Hmm? You do? Yeah. Yeah, but you miss Brandon, don't you? Hmm? Do you miss Brandon? Yeah. He'll be home soon. Yeah. He's having fun. Yeah. That's pretty good, huh? Boy, she's just eating all that. Might have to give you more, huh? Yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah. But Lillian loves fresh vegetables and fresh fruits. She's a really good eater. We don't feed her junk food. Every now and then we'll give her a little treat of some sort, but what you're seeing right now is the kind of stuff that she eats every single day. And she also eats monkey biscuits. Mm-hmm. And we feed her monkey biscuit bottles in the morning and before bedtime. Yeah, we do. Mm-hmm. And then she has a big lunch. Yep, just like what you're eating. And then she has a nice supper. Yep. Mm-hmm. And then she snacks on the monkey biscuits in her room. Yep. Yep. And we give her fresh fruits and vegetables through the day. Like we'll cut off a piece of a squash or a piece of a zucchini and put it in her room with some berries. She loves blueberries. You want some more? Well, you have a little bit left. Look right there. Mm-hmm. When you eat all that, I'll get you some more, okay? Yep. Yeah. We've just been hanging out. A couple of girls having fun. No boys. Yep, no boys. Just having some girl fun, huh? Are you thirsty? Let me get you a drink. Some water? Want a little drink of water? You do? Okay. Gonna get you a drink? You want a drink? It's water. You want a drink? No? No drink? Okay. You gonna eat your apple? Is that good? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Gala apples are the best. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So we're going to have to go shopping this week, aren't we? I take her shopping to the dollar store. The ladies up there are super nice. And they love Lillian. Yeah, they sure do. Uh-huh. They love to see you coming, don't they? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. And you love them too, don't you? You love the ladies at the dollar store? Lillian? You know the ladies at the dollar store? You like them? You love them, don't you? Yeah. Mmm. This is pretty good, huh? You're not eating your avocado. You want to eat your avocado? Look, eat your avocado. Right there. You want your eggs? Is that good? Yep. We're gonna have to go outside and play after this, aren't we? You want to go outside and play? Lillian loves to play. She loves to climb the tree. And she loves to play on the carport and on the porch. And someone asked me a question the other day, why we keep Lillian leashed in the pool yard. Yeah, and that's because we have big dogs on the other side of that fence. Yes, we do. And we don't want to take any chances that little girl getting back there. Because she likes to jump around and run and play. And we don't want her to get back in that dog yard. So that's why we leash her when we're in the pool yard. Because she likes to run and play. So we let her do all that in the front yard. Yep. Isn't that right? They're pretty good, huh? You eating your eggs? Yeah, the eggs are good, aren't they? Yep. I don't eat eggs. No, Mom doesn't eat eggs. So Lillian and I basically eat the same thing, except that she will eat eggs. And she likes tuna fish, and I don't eat tuna fish. She actually really does like tuna fish a lot. And eggs too. And she likes chicken. And say, my mom doesn't eat meat or eggs. Yeah. Well, I'm just about finished. All I have left are my apples. Yep. So Lillian helped me cook. She was on my back the whole time I was cutting everything up. Yes, you were. And the whole time we were cooking. And she's so cute. She'll peek around my side or climb way up on my shoulder and peek over my shoulder and watch me cook. She's so cute. You're so cute. I love you. I love you, Lillian. We're going to have to go visit Uncle Bob. And we'll have to go visit Grammy. And keep you busy since your brother's gone. We'll have to keep you busy. Yeah. Is that apple good? Yep, that's your favorite apple. That's a gala apple, isn't it? Yeah, that's your favorite. That's my favorite too. Except I swallow all of my apple. Lillian likes to get the juice out and spit out the the meat part of it. Yeah. Yeah, you get the juice out and spit the meat out, don't you? Uh-huh. The meat part of the apple. Mm-hmm. You hadn't even touched your avocado. Yeah? You want me to get you some more vegetables? You want more vegetables? Let me get you some. You want more vegetables? Mm-hmm. So you can see what it looks like in the pan there. You want some more? There you go. How about that? Are you gonna eat it? Yeah, there you go. You're eating good, aren't you? You're eating good. You're getting ready to go out and burn it off, aren't you? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mama wants to go swimming. Lillian looks at the swimming pool like it's a big bathtub, so she's not real crazy about the swimming pool. But I'm going to work with her and see if we can get her to take a swim this summer. Uh-huh. Mm-mm, that's good. That's pretty good, Lillian. Mm-hmm. You are hungry. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You ate more than I did. You're eating more than Mom. Where are you putting it? You got a hollow leg? Huh? Yeah? Well, I am totally finished. Mm-hmm. See? That's what I have left right there. And she wants it. You're silly. Are you stealing my food? Well, she's eating more than I am. Y'all saw what I had on my plate, and you saw what she had on hers. And then she went for seconds. Yeah. You're so cute, Lillian. I love you. Your hair looks so pretty today. Tell everybody I got a bath today. Mama gave me a bath. Yeah. Did you get in the bath? Well, actually, she took a shower with me. Did you take a shower with Mom today? This morning? Your hair looks so pretty, and you smell so pretty, too. Yes, you do. You smell pretty. You smell so pretty. You smell like shampoo. Yes, you do. Uh-huh. Yeah. We do have fleas, a lot of fleas in East Texas in the summertime, so we're going to have to put some garlic in her food. Yeah. Because I think garlic helps repel the fleas. Yeah. So we're going to have to do that. Uh-huh. Because I don't want to put flea spray on Lillian, do I? No, I sure don't. My goodness, you are really eating. You are such a big girl. Yeah. And Lillian has all of her teeth. She's got beautiful teeth. Are you going to eat your avocado? That's your French fry. Yep, and that's your apple. Yep, a little bit of apple, huh? Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And I've had someone ask me what color Lillian's eyes are, and it really depends on the light. Sometimes they look like a blue, a dark blue in the sunlight, and sometimes they look like a brown, and maybe a dark brown, and sometimes a medium brown, and at night they look like they're black. So she has multicolor eyes. Her eyes turn different colors. Depends on the lighting. Yeah. Yep. Alright everybody, I guess I'm going to clean Lillian up and get her ready to go outside and play. And I'm going to see if I can get her to get in the pool with me today. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to take her onesie off and clean her hands and her face. Yeah. And she ate super good today. I'm really proud of her. So if y'all haven't subscribed to Lillian's channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to click on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That will notify you every time we upload a video. Yeah, and drop her a comment below and give her a big thumbs up because she ate super good today. And we hope y'all are having an awesome day, and we will catch y'all next time. Say bye-bye.